Hey everyone, this is Rich Noto. I'm heading into Longleaf over in Oakland. I just want to give you a little showing of the area so you can check it out from the ground and from the car. And as you can see over here's a lot of townhomes. A lot of townhomes being built. And this community is a Pulte homes community. I'm just going to turn around. So I could head down a few other streets over here. And the homes over here have an interesting color scheme going on. You know, there's definitely some shades that you don't see anywhere else. At least I haven't seen colors like this. I think I'm going to point them out after we loop this. For example, the home that's straight ahead. You see there's one on the left that's like it's like a bluish or like a light blue, powder blue maybe. This home over here on the right, it's kind of like a greenish color. And always do keep in mind that I offer home buyers incentives. The only catch is that you have to contact me first before you enter the home builder. So you have to contact me, and then we have to go together. That's a home builder policy, and it's typically upheld. And also keep in mind that I end up getting paid from the home builder or the resale home seller. So for you, my services are essentially free. There's a little section for the kids to play at, a little playground. I'll let this car pass. Just giving you another view of these townhomes. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe.